They know your girlfriend. How do you know the girlfriend?
She actually is a family friend.
Whose family?
My family. I've known her my whole entire life.
Did you know that they didn't have plans for Thanksgiving?
I reached out to her in October, and I asked her if she wanted to come over for Thanksgiving.
And what did she say?
She was very happy that I reached out to her, and we had plans. She was going to stay the night. The next day, we were going to go motorcycle riding with my family, and so her plan was to stay the night.
With the boyfriend?
Yes.
And his child?
Yes.
When did they discuss bringing the dog with them?
She didn't discuss the dog until about an hour before she was on her way to my house.
On Thanksgiving Day?
Yes.
So about an hour before, I want you to tell me about that phone conversation.
It was actually a message on Facebook Messenger.
Do you have that?
I do.
I'd like to take a look at it. Don't speak to her. Okay. What's your first name?
Evelyn?
Evelyn. First of all, you don't know who this dog is because you've had the dog for a few weeks in your house. You don't know whether the pit bull is friendly, not friendly, why the dog was put in the pound. You don't know anything about the dog. You have nice people who invite you for Thanksgiving dinner a month in advance, and then you spring on them the morning that you're coming. We have to bring the dog. It's wonderful with babies. It's wonderful. It doesn't even bark. Do you understand? That's real gall. That's real gall.
May I add something?
You can add nothing.
Okay.
I'm saying this to the tens of millions of people who will watch this program in repeats, originals, whenever, when I'm long gone. If you're invited to someone's home for an event, and especially if it's a stranger, don't bring or ask to bring your dog. It's annoying. It's annoying whatever kind of dog it is. It's especially outrageous if it's a dog that you don't know, that you just got, that's huge, and that ultimately bit their dog. This very friendly, nothing dog, very friendly, wouldn't do a thing, bit their dog. And there were a lot of vet bills. Who do you think should pay for that?
Oh, there weren't any vet bills. That dog hadn't been to a vet in 2 years, according to them.
No, she died.
She passed away.
As a result of
As
this?
a result,
Yes.
Yes. In front of an entire horrified family.
On Thanksgiving, and it was my birthday.
1-year-olds, 3 3-year-olds, and a 7-year-old.
Just a second. Is what you're telling me that the dog died on Thanksgiving Day or within a short...
On Thanksgiving, on her birthday.
5 minutes.
I understand, Your Honor. I was there when it happened, and I was the only one that was there.
I don't, listen to me. I don't care.
Well,
I don't care.
It wasn't.
You are
it wasn't
stupid
on the morning.
People.
It wasn't on the morning.
Just a second.
And I've
You
been
are-
around those
you
dogs
are
for 20 years, Your Honor.
Stupid people for 2 reasons. You brought a big dog that's potentially dangerous, that someone turned into animal control for a reason, that was 2 years old. You brought the dog to a stranger's house where there were young children. This dog, you want to see the articles that I have taped on my desk about pit bulls? Pit bulls that never caused any damage to anybody, never did anything, bit off a child's face, mauled to death a 3-year-old. You want to do it? That's your business. You want to expose your 11-year-old to your pit bull, this dog that you didn't know having a bad day? That's your prerogative. But you're 2 stupid people who were invited to nice people's homes for Thanksgiving and brought this ridiculous dog with you, and the dog killed their dog.
Our dog was outside where they told us to keep it, and their dog
listen to
attacked
me.
my dog.
Hey,
I know because my dog's a pit bull. It's got prejudice against it.
No.
My dog was outside.
Your dog wouldn't have
And it was playing with children 5 minutes earlier while I supervised the dog the whole time. I even ate outside.
That's impossible. You're sitting next to us at the dinner table.
No.
Just to me. So look as if I need any help from you. Don't I look sufficiently outraged to you?
Yes.
And we didn't spring it on her.
Your Honor.
Don't
Yes,
I
sir.
look sufficient? Stay home on Thanksgiving. Cook a turkey.
Well, that's what we wanted to
Just a
do.
second.
But she wanted to be with her family, and they insisted.
Listen to me.
And
Listen.
we even said
Hey,
this on the
Mr.
23rd,
Medina,
not
Mr.
on
Medina,
Thanksgiving Day.
You're trying to talk
It's the
over
day
me.
before.
You're trying
23rd
to
is
talk-
Thanksgiving.
Hey, don't. Listen to me carefully. In October, when she invited you, you say, I can't come without this dog that my boyfriend just brought home from the pound. Not the morning that you're going. You got it, Evelyn. You got it. You want to hang around him with his bad judgment. That's fine. I'm saying to you, if you're invited to someone's home, a stranger to you that you don't know, and has invited you and your 11-year-old daughter, who they don't know, from a hole in the wall, you don't go and bring your dog. I don't care what kind of dog it is. You especially don't bring a dog that you don't know. And you didn't know this dog because you just got it.
Well, I did know the dog, Your Honor, because I spent a month and a half with the dog prior to that.
Mr. Medina,
around
Mr. Medina,
Chihuahuas,
Mr. Me-
children.
Mr.
No, you're going
Medina,
to beat me up up
Mr.
here. I'm
Me-
going to give the facts
Mr.
about
Medina,
the dog.
Mr. Medina,
You know?
proof is in the pudding. Secrets in, there was a movie and there was a great line by somebody that said, secrets in the sauce.
Well, the sauce was in their dog. He attacked my dog.
Listen to me.
That's how it
What
goes
kind
down.
of dog
that dog
did you
attacked.
have?
It's a teacup Yorkie. She weighs
3 pounds.
3 pounds.
It doesn't matter. The dog. You
She
can say
didn't
whatever
throw
you want.
near
The
your
dog
dog.
attacked my dog.
Show a picture.
She showed aggression
Mr.
towards
Medina,
my dog.
Mr. Medina.
This is what happened, Your Honor.
Mr.
He grabbed it, and I said, put it down. And it dropped the dog, and that was it. And the dog ran